Okay, so for equation 1d, dy dx equal to y over x plus cos squared y over x. So dy dx is v plus x dv dx. So y is vx divided by x. So y replaced by vx. So okay, the right hand side you simplify v plus cos squared v. So v plus x dv dx. So left side, right side got v, cancel out. So you have x dv dx equal to cos squared x. Hence, okay, sorry, this is v. X and x cancel. Because you cancel x, this cos squared v. Cancel x, this is v, right side, left side cancel. Hence you get x dv dx, okay, equal to cos squared v. That's why dv cos squared v divided by 1. So okay, cross multiplication, you get dv over cos squared v equal to dx over x. And then you integrate both hand side. So 1 over cos squared is actually secant. 1 over cos is secant, so secant squared v dv. Integrate 1 over x is ln x. Okay, and then I put up ln c. Constant, I put ln c. Integrate secant squared v dv, you get tangent. So this is ln cx. Then replace back v is y over x. And you have tangent. V is y over x ln cx. Okay, if you want y as a title, then you take arctan, okay, both hand side. So we have y over x become arctan ln cx. Okay, and then you want y, okay, bring the x to right hand side. So y is equal to x, okay, arctan ln cx.